Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to customize your search result preferences. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com/preferences and hit on enter right now. This is kind of a hidden section of Indeed. Now it's not hidden anymore, you guys know it. Now from right here, you can choose which jobs to show. There is jobs right here. Here is the results. You can customize how your search results are presented right here in the drop down box. I'm gonna click on it and these options will show up like 10 jobs, 20 jobs, 30 jobs. Now this means 30 jobs will be displayed per search results page. Scrolling down, you also have the preferences of language. You can change the interface language right here. As you can see, there are lots of language. Select whichever one you want. And once everything's okay, simply hit on Save Preferences. Let's click on this OK button right here. And guys, there you go. Your preferences have been changed. That's it for the video guys. Hope you found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.